Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to cover how to set up a real estate company in Dubai. Dubai's thriving real estate market attracts investors and entrepreneurs from all around the world. With its rapidly growing economy, high rental yields, and the business-friendly policies, establishing a real estate company in Dubai can be a lucrative venture. So today in this video, I am going to cover how we can set up a real estate business, what are the process, what are the requirements, and how much time it takes. And apart from that, we will covering the fees and other additional information. So stay with us. Now we will cover understanding the real estate business in Dubai. As we know in UAE, real estate business is regulated by two authorities. One is DLD and another one is RERA. So DLD stands for Dubai Land Departments and RERA stands for Real Estate Regulatory Authority. So any person who is interested to buy, sell, lease or manage the property, he must comply with the RERA guidelines. Now we will cover what are the types of license a person can obtain if you are opening a real estate business in UAE. When we talk about the types of license in real estate, basically there are three types of license. First of all is real estate brokerage. Under real estate brokerage license, you are allowed to do buying, selling and leasing such kind of activities. The next one is real estate development. Under this kind of activities, a person can do the construction and sales the properties. And the last one is real estate management or real estate managing license. Under this activity, a person can manage the properties on behalf of the owners. So these three types of license is available under the real estate activities, and most of the time when we go for a real estate license, we should go for a mainland area or we can say the local market company. The reason is why, because you can cover all over the UAE as the jurisdiction, and further the license is issued by the Dubai Economy Department, which is DED authority. Now we will cover choosing the right business structure. So we can go for any options, like first of all we have to see how many partners or shareholders in the company. If there is only one individual, then we can go for a sole establishment, or we can say the single owner LLC. If there are more than two shareholders or partners, we can opt for a LLC, which is generally a limited liability company. Further, it depends upon the client if you can go for any free zone authority also to opt for such license. But most of the time it's preferable to go for a mainland or local market company registration when you are doing a real estate license in UAE. Now we will cover what is the process of opening a real estate business in Dubai. So we have to follow these steps. First of all, we have to apply the initial approval or security approval. This step requires the owner or shareholders his passport copy submit to the immigration and the relevant authorities to get the approval. Once we got the initial approval, we will move forward for the next step, which is generally the name reservation of the company. So we have to choose the name of the company which should be unique and should not be offensive, and we must follow the DED name guidelines. After doing these two steps, we will move forward for the leasing option, or we can say finalizing the office space. Now you have two options here. Either you can go for a virtual office or you can take a physical office space. It's up to you as per your requirement. After finalizing the office space, we must have a Izari, which is a office legal tenancy contract, and it should be duly registered with the Dubai Land Department and valid for 1 year. So once we have this Izari, or we can say the office lease agreement, we can submit all the documents to the authority and we can do the memorandum signing, where generally the owner physical presence is required. But if we are doing the application online, it can end the digital platform also. And once we submit all these documents to the authority, the license fees, or we can say the payment voucher, will be generated, which is a system generated invoice, and we have to make the payment of that invoice, and afterwards we can obtain our business license. So this is the overall process for when we are setting up a real estate business license. When we talk about the RERA approval, generally it comes after the license issuance process. We have to pay the RERA fees, which includes in the license itself, and the RERA fees is approximately 5,000, plus there will be additional fees of the license and payment voucher, which will be mentioned on your invoice itself. Now we will cover the next point, which is the cost. How much cost to open a real estate business license in Dubai? So the approximately cost is, you can say, start from 25,000 dirham. Further, it depends upon other factors, which include the office lease agreement and number of partners and residency visa required. So this is, we have to make up the other budget also. Now the next point we will cover how much time it takes to register a real estate business license. So the whole process and documentation can take up to 1 to 3 weeks. Further, again, it depends subject to the approval of immigration authorities and the regulatory authorities. At the end, setting up a real estate company in Dubai involves multiple steps, including choosing the right structure, obtaining a license, registering with RERA authorities, and ensuring the compliance with the regulatory bodies. While the process can be complex, the benefit of entering in Dubai's dynamic property market is a rewarding investment. By following the outlined process, working with the legal advisors and company formation expert, it can be easy and convenient for you. You can successfully launch and grow your real estate business in Dubai. So this is overall about the real estate business license in Dubai, and if you have any question related to business setup, company formation, feel free to contact us at below given details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.